Hello. Hello, guys. My name is Grace, and I'm reading the angelic reading. Today, I got already some card, and welcome to my channel, YouTube. And I'm gonna start reading now. And this card I'm reading the angel tarot cards is I picked already about eight of water. The eight of water is saying about they're saying about when you need some uh, clarification and need some clarification in your life, and it's very important that you um, your feelings, so your feelings, that's understanding, and it's time to move on. So they are saying this interested that um you're very emotionally, and meaning maybe you got a reward. Okay, so there's a person there, and you're drowning about your problem, so you distract. Don't let distract don't let distract the um anything from your journey in your life or your true path. So if you feel a void in your life, and you need to feel healthy way, so you need your recollection. You need your relocation. If you're working, you need your relocation, or change your job, and or change your relationship. Possible, maybe this year. And what can I see is you seeking for meaning in your life. So you need to grow, and spiritually and emotionally. So leave the part that behind. Okay, so you need to change, bring benefits. So guys, if you're looking for bad situation, uh, painful situation, breakup, or emptiness, or problem in your life, so you need to do with uh, when you need some help, and very important that you let God, um, trust to God, and let God to do your life changing. And maybe you're searching for prayer or answer, and because you burn out. Okay, so especially this person is drawn, so you need to move on in your life. Okay, Libra people, September 23 to October 24. And so you move on, yeah, you drawn, you very um you're dealing about the situation, the emptiness, or you search for spiritual fulfillment. Your feeling is burned out too much for you. So don't let anyone distract you, either at work or relationship, or take care of yourself. Okay, and you find yourself reward one day when you balance yourself. So the five of water. This saying the five of water because you got eight. The eight is the higher than the five of water. So um this saying that you need to take care yourself. Okay, you need to take care yourself because it's burning you. And five five of water is just like you need to balance. Okay, so be careful not to focus too much, okay, on your negative energy, because the five is like a negative energy. What are you doing? Just check, and maybe you're fighting to trying to someone, or you're ignoring something, and be healthy, okay. don't lose the time. What are you dealing? And reach out if you want to ask for help. Ask your friend, reach out to your family, and maybe a counselor or support and comfort. Find a way to make you count. Find a way to give you advice. Okay, for positive every situation. Focus too much on the negative, so you need to change. Okay, so saying that you need to end of relationship if you're in a relationship, because the eight of already I told you earlier, and wishing that you could change the past or your obsession. So um you need to stop that. Okay, so it's not good. Okay, so you need to change the past to go to the future, concentrate the future, balance. And the lovers saying this one, another lovers, what did I get? The lovers is saying this, this is a good luck and abundant, means Archangel Raphael come to your relationship or sickness or negative energy or your job, you burn out. Yeah, so you want to change. Okay, so because yeah, the blue is the healings, and now you got a green one, the Archangel Raphael. So who's connect to you? Mean you need to connect it to pray for them and let the God do it. And the key right now is important to develop your trust in the relationship. Okay, in the relationship, and protect your relationship and safety, and protect yourself to the close to you. Okay, and um find some partner or a friend that can give you advice. Communication is the key right now. So what can I say? This card is the decision about your life. So you reach greatly in the future. So important that right now you need to option carefully. Make sure you get a choice and truly consider in your relationship or your job and money, and what else do you in your romantic nature. So make sure you communicate. Okay, and you can save, and your feeling will be balanced. So important a friend, talk to your friend, communicate, because when you see this green, Archangel Raphael is coming to your family to heal your sickness, to heal the problem, to heal you as well. And Archangel Raphael said she will send you a pouring love and support and healings, and you need balance and return to get good health, your relationship, married or wedding, or if something is not balanced in your relationship, so you need to move on. And you can call upon Archangel Raphael and Angel of Health. Is important that when you travel, you can call this Archangel Raphael, and when you're traveling and you're to help significant relationship, you can ask Raphael to give those healing, especially in friendship, business, and family. You can also help that manifest the soulmate partnership as well if you're looking. Okay, and pray for your marriage, pray your wedding. A prayer is important. Okay, right now. So Archangel Raphael said, go ahead and you need to balance, and you need to balance. And very important because right now in here you are you are desire to move on your life and relationship, and meaning the spiritual and emotional is you need to grow, because you're going to 8 now of water, so healing Archangel Michael, the blue color, and right now is the lover. So this lover is the Archangel Raphael. So, giving the healing the inside the house, the family, and important that for your what you ask for healings as our Almighty God and as the above. And don't forget to ask your guardian angel because they come to your house, to your relationship, to your work. So always protection. And when you ask them to for your health is important and move on your life. Okay, balance and positive. So this card is for Libra. And Archangel Michael is a blue one. So as for Archangel Michael is powerful, and Archangel Raphael. Thank you, Angel, and thank you for likes and love and light. Bye bye.